Now the next topic is set of operation. There are four type of operation: union, intersection, complement and difference of the set. First one is the union of set. If A and B are two sets, then the A union B is the set which belong all the element of set A and set B. Suppose A is the set of the even number 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on, and B is the set of all odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. Then A union B is the set of all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is clear? Now the second one is the intersection of set. If A and B are two sets, then A intersection B is the set which belong the common element in the set A and B. Suppose A is the set of all even number and B is the set of all odd number, then A intersection B is the empty set which is not belonging common element. It is clear, everyone? Now the complement of set. Complement of set is A is the any set and U is the universal set. Then it is denoted by A dash. Then A dash is equal to U minus A. It means A is the set which belong those element of U which not belonging to A. It is clear? Now difference of set. If A and B are two sets, then A minus B is the difference of set A minus B, and it is belong the element of those element of A which not belonging to B. A minus B means those element of A which not belonging to B, and the reciprocal B minus A is the difference of set B and A, and is equal to those element of B which not belonging to A. It is clear, everyone? Now some practice question come in the word file. If A and B are two sets, now we find A intersection B, A union B. First we find A intersection B. A intersection B is equal to, first we note the set A, after that symbol of intersection, then the element of B. Then A intersection B equal to is equal to A intersection B is the set of only single element 2, which is belong the set A and set B. Now A union B. Now we find A union B. A union B is equal to set A now the symbol of taking the union symbol. Now A union B is the set which belong the all the element of set A and set B. Belonging to all the element of set A and set B. 1, 2, 2 is belonged also. Now the element 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4 belong both the set A and set B. This is the A union B. It is clear, everyone? Now next one question. Now A is the set, U is the universal set, is equal to x such that x is a natural number. So what is the value of u? This is the property form. Now it is noted in the tabular form. Now it is right in the tabular form. U is right in the tabular form. In the tabular form, set of all natural numbers. What is the natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. इसके लिए this is the natural number. Now A is the set of all natural number. Same. The natural numbers, note down again the natural number value. Now B is the set of 2x plus 1 where x is the natural number. Now simplify the value of b with the help of the natural number and the equation 2x plus 1. The first value is multiply x multiplied by 2 and add by 1. 2 1 2 plus 1 3. The first value is 3. Now the multiply 2 is multiplied by 2, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, comma 5. Now 3 multiplies 2, 3 to the 6 plus 1 7. Now next number is 9, then 11, then 13, then 15, and so on. This is the value of b. Now the first part is A union B. Is equal to note down the set A. Union now set B. Now the A union B. A union B. The set of all natural number, because A union B is the set which belong both the elements set A and set B. A union B is the set of all the set A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 is natural number and this is the odd number. Then A union B is all the natural number. Now the second part, A intersection B. A intersection B. Is equal to note down A intersection B value set A and set B and taking the sign of intersection. Then A intersection B is the common element of A and B. Then 2, 4, 6, one element of A's intersection B, 3, 5, 6. That is, note down this one. A is the natural number, B is the odd number, then A intersection B is the odd number. It is clear? Now the last part is, third part is U minus B. U minus B. Taking the set of U, minus sign B, then U minus B is the set of those elements of U which not belonging to B. Those element of U which not belonging to B. So 1 is belonging, not belonging, to 1 is the answer, 2 is belonging, not belonging, 3 is belonging, then delete the value 3, 4 is belonging, not belonging, 5 is belonging, yes belonging, then cancel out the 5, element 5. Then 6 is not belonging, 7 is also belonging, 9 is also belonging. Then U minus B is the set of 1 and all even number. Now A dash, last part is A dash. U minus A, U minus A dash is equal to U minus A. Those elements of U which not belonging to A. First we note down the element of U, set of U. Then minus A, those element, note down the element of A. Then all the element of U belonging to all the element of A, then empty set. A dash is equal to empty set. Is empty set. It is clear? Now set is complete. Set theory is complete.